Alright, like I said, I'm doing an unboxing of Skyward Sword, the bundle thing, and I'll just go quick here since I'm sure I'm like the 130 billion thousandth video on here. The box seen a little rough treatment, but it wasn't something I was necessarily going to keep. So let's just dive right in, shall we? So the back of the box has the same back as the game itself, which looks spectacular. Got batteries, the gold Wiimote. It's coming in the case. WeMotion Plus inside. A little strong. Something this fresh, we kind of expect that, I think. So we've got two discs. This one is the Wii disc, and this one is the anniversary CD. Nice. We've got a handful of stuff. Talk about other games. I forgot I need to get Kirby Return to Dreamland. A couple different languages, I guess. Raise shield, shield bash, nunchuck, etc., etc. Alright, this is all pretty cool. It's a bit unfortunate that the Wiimote does not come with a nunchuck, a gold nunchuck to go with it, but this is still nice. And there we go. I may actually wait until tomorrow to start playing it to finish up something else in Minecraft, but